Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook eru with spinach. First, gather your core ingredients: a generous bundle of tender spinach, fresh palm oil, and your choice of protein. This nutritious West African stew is a symphony of flavors, combining earthy greens with savory additions. We will break down each step, ensuring a delicious and authentic result that you can recreate in your own kitchen with confidence. Before we cook, let us prepare our ingredients for seamless execution. Ensure your 2 pounds of fresh spinach are meticulously washed and roughly chopped. Slice 1 medium-sized onion and have your 1 cup of rich red palm oil at hand. Your chosen protein, like 1 pound of beef or smoked turkey, should be cut into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. This careful preparation makes all the difference in achieving a perfectly balanced dish. Now, let us begin building the aromatic base of our eru. Heat 2 tablespoons of palm oil in a large pot over a comfortable medium heat. Gently sauté your finely chopped onion until it softens and releases its sweet fragrance, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, add your prepared protein, browning it slightly to seal in the juices. Stir in the crayfish powder, salt, and pepper, ensuring all the rich spices meld together beautifully. It is time to introduce the star of our dish, the vibrant spinach. Gradually add the washed and chopped spinach to the pot, stirring it gently until it begins to wilt and reduce in volume. Now, pour in the remaining 1 cup of rich palm oil, ensuring it thoroughly coats all the greens and protein. Reduce the heat to a low setting, cover the pot, and allow the eru to simmer for approximately 15 minutes, stirring occasionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.